What is up, everyone? This is a walk around of my dad's 1954 Studebaker 3R Series pickup and my entry for the Hot Wheels Virtual Legends Tour 2020. The truck was completely original, a long bed farm truck when my dad received it. We took it down to the bare frame to shorten it and start from scratch, what I like to refer to as a rusto mod. The chassis consists of a universal Mustang II front end kit, and the independent rear suspension is out of a 1980 C3 Corvette. The engine is a mid to late 60s small block Chevy 283 bored out to 292 with some forged stuff inside, running 12.5 to 1 compression, mated to a Muncie M-20 4-speed from the same era. In order to keep the fenders centered over the rear wheels, we cut the front and the back of the bed off. The custom one-piece rear pan allowed us to retain the original tailgate, which still functions. We chose some seats out of an early 2000s Tahoe because they have integrated seat belts, and we are running Vintage Air AC. The paint is mostly original. It's difficult to replicate that legit patina, and there's no clear coat over it. Although we did have to do some paint where we grafted the bed back together and patched the cab corners. There are plenty of little things that I left out. That's pretty much it though. I also decided to sneak in a handful of photos that I would consider beauty shots. I'll get her fired up for the rest of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks a bunch for watching.